As a result, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an intriguing update. We just learned that Samsung is planning to put the current generation AMOLED on the S24 Ultra, and what's more, this screen is not only better than what's found on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but also better than the future iPhone 15 Ultra, which is expected to be released in less than 3 weeks. We didn't know much about this screen at the time, but now we have some astounding information that will definitely blow your mind. This year, Apple grabbed the lead in display brightness on phones, as the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a brighter display than the S23 Ultra. It was the first time that Samsung provided Apple a better display than their own flagship phone. Thankfully, that is not the case with the S24 Ultra, as the phone not only exceeds the 2000 nits barrier, but also achieves some insane statistics. According to one source, the S24 Ultra features consistent bezels and a maximum brightness of 2200 nits. 2200 nits is already far better than the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits. But, according to Ice Universe, the brightness is significantly greater. He didn't offer a figure, but the original poster subsequently said that the M13 display used in the S24 Ultra has the possibility of reaching 2800 nits, which is simply ridiculous. The iPhone 15 Ultra is likely to keep the same 2000 nits of brightness as its predecessor. We also offer S24 Ultra storage choices, and there are no surprises here. 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage capacities will be available in 3 different variants of the phone from Samsung. It is the same as the S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.